Exploring the balance of flavors, a journey in culinary linguistics. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of culinary terms, specifically focusing on the phrase, balance of flavors. This is a phrase you'll often hear in cooking shows, recipes, or when people talk about a great meal they had. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your English vocabulary but also give you insight into a key concept in cooking. Let's get started. The phrase, balance of flavors, refers to the harmonious combination of different tastes in a dish. The basic tastes we often talk about are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. A balanced dish means no single flavor overpowers the others. Instead, they complement each other to create a pleasing overall taste. This balance is crucial in cooking and is often what separates an average dish from a fantastic one. Let's break down the different components that contribute to a dish's flavor. Sweetness often comes from sugars, fruits, and certain vegetables. It can balance out bitterness and spiciness. Saltiness, provided by salt, it enhances other flavors and can reduce bitterness. Sourness comes from acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar. It can add freshness and contrast to sweetness. Bitterness, found in foods like dark chocolate, coffee, and some leafy greens. It can add depth and complexity. Umami, known as the savory taste. It's present in meats, cheese, soy sauce, and mushrooms. Umami enriches and deepens flavors. A good balance of flavors can make a dish more enjoyable and satisfying. When flavors are well balanced, they work in harmony, allowing you to taste the individual components without one overpowering the others. This balance is subjective and can vary based on cultural and personal preferences. For instance, some cuisines might favor spicier or more umami-rich profiles. Italian cuisine. Think of a classic tomato sauce with its balance of acidity, sweetness, and savory notes. Indian cuisine. A curry often has a complex balance of spices, heat, sweetness, and tanginess. Japanese cuisine. A bowl of ramen with its blend of salty, umami, and sometimes a hint of sweetness. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the balance of flavors. Remember, this concept isn't just about cooking. It's a beautiful example of how language can describe sensory experiences. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.